We're in the midst of a building revolution. All around us, new structures are rising, transforming our skylines and reshaping our cities. But it's not just about how we build, but also about what we build with. The materials we choose play a crucial role in the efficiency and sustainability of our buildings. Traditional materials, while familiar, often fall short in meeting modern demands. They're energy-hungry, wasteful, and frankly, a bit dull. They lack the innovation needed for today's challenges. We need materials that are smarter, greener, and more efficient, capable of reducing our carbon footprint. Enter PUF Insulated Sandwich Panels, the building blocks of the future. These panels are designed to meet the needs of modern construction. These innovative panels are revolutionizing the construction industry, offering a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional methods. They're like the Tesla of building materials, sleek, high-performing, and signaling a shift towards a more sustainable future. With these advancements, we can build a better tomorrow. So what exactly are these wonder panels? Imagine a delicious sandwich. You have 2 slices of bread on the outside, providing structure and support. In the middle, you have a tasty filling that adds flavor and substance. PUF panels work in much the same way. They consist of 2 rigid outer layers, typically made of pre-coated steel sheets, which act like the bread. Sandwiched between these layers is a core of polyurethane foam, PUF, the star ingredient that gives these panels their exceptional insulating properties. The magic of PUF panels lies in their remarkable thermal efficiency, which is achieved through their unique construction. That PUF core is like a super-powered thermos, keeping the heat out in the summer, ensuring your home stays cool even on the hottest days, and locking it in during the winter, providing a cozy and warm environment when it's freezing outside. This means less reliance on energy-guzzling heating and cooling systems, which is great news for both your wallet and the planet. Lower energy consumption translates to reduced utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint, but the benefits don't stop there. PUF panels also offer superior durability and longevity compared to traditional materials. PUF panels are also incredibly lightweight, making them easier and faster to install than traditional materials, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming. This translates to lower labor costs and quicker construction times, allowing projects to be completed more efficiently. And because they're manufactured off-site, there's less waste and disruption on your building site, contributing to a cleaner and more organized construction process. Just like every sandwich needs the right bread and filling, PUF panels come in a variety of types to suit different needs. Roof panels, for instance, are designed to withstand the elements, providing excellent insulation and weather resistance. Wall panels offer similar benefits for vertical structures, creating comfortable and energy-efficient interiors. Cold storage panels are specifically engineered for temperature-controlled environments, ensuring that perishables stay fresh. And for dividing spaces within a building, partition panels offer a lightweight and sound-insulating solution. The versatility of PUF panels is truly remarkable. Walk around any city and you'll likely spot them in a wide range of applications. Warehouses, factories, and industrial buildings benefit from their durability, insulation, and ease of construction. Supermarkets and cold storage facilities rely on them to maintain optimal temperatures for food preservation. Even homes and commercial buildings are embracing the advantages of PF panels, enjoying lower energy bills, quieter interiors, and faster construction times. While the concept of a sandwich panel might seem simple, there's a lot of science that goes into creating these high-performance building materials. The thermal conductivity of the PUF core, for example, is carefully engineered to minimize heat transfer, keeping buildings comfortable year-round. The density of the foam is another crucial factor, affecting the panel's strength, insulation value, and fire resistance. Manufacturers meticulously test and refine these parameters to ensure that their panels meet the highest industry standards. One of the most appealing aspects of PUF panels is their ease of installation. Think of them like giant Lego blocks that can be easily assembled on site. The panels are pre-cut to the required dimensions and come with tongue and groove joints that fit together seamlessly. This interlocking design ensures a secure and weather-tight connection, minimizing the need for additional sealants or adhesives. And because the panels are so lightweight, they can be easily maneuvered and installed with minimal equipment, further reducing labor costs and construction time. In a world grappling with climate change and resource scarcity, the construction industry faces unprecedented challenges. PUF Insulated Sandwich Panels offer a beacon of hope for the construction industry, providing innovative solutions to these pressing issues. They embody a smarter, more sustainable approach to building, one that prioritizes energy efficiency, durability, and reduced environmental impact. These panels are rigorously tested to ensure they meet the highest standards. Investing in PUF panels is not just about choosing a building material, it's about making a commitment to a greener future. It's about investing in a future where buildings are kinder to the planet, earning certifications for their eco-friendly designs, and more comfortable for the people who inhabit them. It's about embracing innovation and ensuring that our living spaces are both sustainable and enjoyable. Choosing PUF panels means opting for building blocks that are as smart and forward-thinking as the structures we create with them. These panels are at the forefront of modern construction technology. The future of construction is here, and it's looking bright, efficient, and remarkably well insulated. With PUF panels, we are building a better tomorrow.